Welcome back, skaters! Today we are going to work on a series of skating skills warm-up exercises built around 3 turns and adding other turns and steps. These combinations will improve your edge quality, control, balance, body alignment, and flow while preparing you for more advanced skating skills and step sequences. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced skater, these exercises are a great way to warm up before every practice and build strong fundamentals. We will start with a forward outside 3 turn as the base and add a 3-step mohawk, quick rocker choctaw combination to create one continuous sequence. Begin on the left forward outside edge and execute a forward outside 3 turn at the top of the first half circle. Return to the axis, then skate the second half circle in the opposite direction. Perform a toe step from the right toe to the left toe, turning to the right. Step cross in front with the right foot and glide on the right backward inside edge. Return to the axis. On the third half circle, perform a 3-step mohawk from the left foot to the right foot, crossing in front and gliding on the left backward inside edge after. At the top of the circle, execute a quick rocker from the left backward inside to the left forward inside edge, and continue with the left forward inside to right backward outside choctaw, crossing in front with the left foot onto a left backward inside edge. Return to the axis. Repeat the entire sequence on the opposite foot. Start with the right forward outside 3 turn, turning to the right. Perform a toe step from the left toe to the right toe, turning to the left. Step cross in front with the left foot and glide on the left backward inside edge. Next, execute the 3-step mohawk starting on the right foot and crossing in front. Continue with the right backward inside rocker, exiting on the right forward inside edge, and finish with the left backward outside choctaw, crossing in front with the right foot and returning to the axis before repeating the sequence. This sequence includes 3 half circles with quick rotational changes of direction, helping skaters improve their turns and steps in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. It also develops edge control, coordination, balance, and the ability to transition smoothly between different turns and steps. The next sequence starts with a forward inside 3 turn on the first half circle. After the turn, extend nicely on the backward outside edge before returning to the axis. Continue with the toe steps on the second half circle, traveling in the opposite direction. From the left toe to the right toe, then again to the left toe, and cross in front with the right foot and glide on the right backward inside edge. Start the third half circle with a 2-step outside mohawk, cross behind with the left backward inside edge, and then cross in front with the right backward inside edge as you move into the fourth half circle. Finish the sequence with a forward crossover from the left forward outside to a right forward inside edge. Repeat the entire sequence on the opposite foot. Begin with a left forward inside 3 turn, turning to the right. Reach back with your free leg and extend while gliding on the left backward outside edge before returning to the axis. Perform the toe steps, traveling from the right toe to the left and then again to the right, turning to the left, and crossing in front with the left foot, gliding on the left backward inside edge. Next, execute a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk, crossing behind with the right foot onto a right backward inside edge. Change circles, cross in front with your left foot, glide on a left backward inside edge, return to the axis and finish the sequence with a right forward outside to left forward inside crossover. This exercise is excellent for developing quick changes of rotational direction while improving your speed, power, and coordination. It also helps you become more comfortable transitioning between turns and steps in both directions, making your skating smoother and more efficient. Even these combinations may look difficult at first, they are built from simple fundamental skills like crossovers, toe steps, mohawks, and tree turns. The key is to become solid and efficient with your basic skating skills before moving on to more advanced footwork. My Figure Skating Foundations video course for beginner skaters is designed to help you master these fundamentals the right way. With 100 step-by-step instructional videos, detailed tutorials, common mistakes to avoid, and exercises to correct them, you will build a strong foundation, improve much faster, and become a more confident skater. Click the link above or look in the description below to enroll in the course today and start building the skating skills that will help you succeed. Our third combination starts with a right backward outside tree turn on the first half circle. As you return to the axis, perform a counter hop, taking off from the right forward and side edge, turning to the right, landing through your left toe, and crossing in front with the right foot onto a right backward and side edge on the second half circle. Return to the axis and execute a backward power pull from a right backward and side edge to a right backward outside edge, gliding through the third half circle. Come back to the axis and perform a right backward outside to left forward and side choctaw. Continue with the second choctaw right away from a left forward and side edge to a right backward outside edge. Repeat the entire sequence on the opposite foot. Start with a left backward outside tree turn, followed by a left forward and side counter hop. Continue with a left backward and side to left backward outside power pull, then execute a left backward outside to right forward and side choctaw. Finish with the second choctaw, returning to a left backward outside edge. This exercise is excellent for developing deep edges, power, and control while improving your ability to execute turns and transitions in both rotational directions. If you enjoyed this video and learning something new, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more figure skating tutorials. For more detailed tutorials, personalized training videos, and exclusive members-only content, consider joining my YouTube membership. Your support helps me create more educational videos for skaters of all levels. Click the link above or look in the description below to become a member today. Our final combination starts with a left backward and side tree turn on the first half circle. As you return to the axis, perform a waltz jump, taking off from the left forward outside edge and landing on the right backward outside edge. Immediately cross in front with your left foot and glide on the left backward and side edge. Start a new circle on the right forward outside edge and execute a choctaw on the axis, turning from the right forward outside edge to a left backward inside edge. Glide around the circle on that edge and return to the axis. Repeat the sequence on the opposite foot. Begin with a right backward and side tree turn, followed by a waltz jump, taking off from the right forward outside edge and landing on the left backward outside edge. Cross in front with your right foot and glide on the right backward inside edge. Step onto a new circle on the left forward outside edge and execute a choctaw on the axis, turning from a left forward outside edge to a right backward inside edge. Return to the axis and repeat the sequence. This exercise requires a lot of coordination, especially when performing the waltz jump in the opposite rotational direction. Focus on maintaining precise edges, a strong counter twist, and good shoulder and hip alignment throughout the jumps, turns, and steps. Staying well checked and balanced will help you execute the entire sequence with better control and flow. In this video, we worked through several advanced skating combinations built from fundamental skills like tree turns, mohawks, power pulls, and crossovers. Even these sequences may look challenging, they are created by connecting simple elements with proper edge control, timing, and body position. Practicing these exercises will help you improve your balance, coordination, power, quick change of direction, and confidence with both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. Remember to focus on quality of execution rather than speed. Strong basics create strong advanced skating. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.